how are we going to go through that process to bring that work together in that way and get people putting their individual piece or contribution together to accomplish completion of that project. And we just raised a lot of competing priorities, and Mark, I'll turn back to you since you kind of tiptoed us toward this direction, but how do we balance these things? Or actually, Kevin, I think I'll go to you on this one. We were talking about balancing competing priorities earlier. How do you achieve reliability, the transition goals and everything when it's very difficult to do all these things at once? What's your perspective on how we accomplish that balance and advance infrastructure going forward?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I think for me the heart of this is the data and unlocking it. And we heard in Nicholas's, his opening this morning, utility companies. I work for a utility company or an electrical utility company, and I know, they absolutely have data silos. So being able to unlock those silos with our iTwin platform is the key to understanding and how you balance and you prioritize. I think we know that the richer that iTwin model, the better the outcomes. And I think our open source approach to iTwin is imperative on that, and that's something that we really need to be educating our users with the benefits of it. And it's brilliant that we've actually got some case studies that we're working on now and some proof of concepts.
Can I just add on to that?
Sure.
One of the things that I learned, again, this comes up every year from talking to the folks here who are the finalists, is that their enterprises have so many different systems that they use that don't talk to each other.
Yeah.
And so you may have an absolutely exceptional concept, but you can't do it. You can't bring it to life because you can't make the economic justification because you don't have the data, or whatever the particular silo problem may be. And so I think that you can't really balance sustainability, resilience, affordability, and quality of life. You can only do the best you can to each of those, right? They're not 25, 25, 25, 25.
Right.
So I think that what enterprises need to do is look at their data, where it comes from, where it's going, and try to do a better job of making it available to those people who are trying to do this balancing act.
Yeah.
Right now, we don't do that.
Yeah, how do you unlock the insights from all this siloed data in a wide portfolio or a variety of applications, in not even just applications, but drawings? I was talking to somebody earlier today about their country's renewal of their grid and how a lot of that data is in paper, in drawers, in remote locations. We have to come up with great ways to pull and bring insights from those with optical recognition and digitization of those drawings and those things, so they can feed into that model, that iTwin, that enables that collaboration.